Hello, Gareth here, and it's Quick Tip Tuesday. I'm shooting this in my Airbnb in Vienna, and today's tip is very simple. It's when you're getting ready to go off on your travels, maybe to practice your language or you're off on holiday, to pack a face mask and some earplugs. The reason's simple. The face mask is so that you're not woken up by the light in the morning. I don't like that at all. You may not mind, but if you do, this gives you control. I often find them in places with inadequate curtains or without proper blinds or shutters, and it's not a problem once I've got the face mask. You can usually pick them up at the airport. Some airlines still hand them out. The earplugs, again, that's all about control. You may find that you're on a noisy street. There might be a building site next door or over the road. In a hotel too, you might find that the lift is just by your room, or there's a noisy stag party on the same corridor. There's someone who's hard of hearing in the room next door and turns up the television very loud. If you've got the earplugs in your toilet bag, it just gives you, again, control. There are various different types. I used to use these soft foam ones, but I've found, for some reason, after using them for years, now I've developed some sort of allergy to them, and my ears end up itching for a couple of days after I wear them. So I've gone on to a different type. These green ones, it's a more rubbery foam. There are wax ones you can get too. Experiment to find a pair that you like. Some people find they can't put things in their ears at all. My dad, for example, can't wear earplugs. But if they work for you, then they do give you that extra bit of control and ensure, I hope, that you're going to get sweet dreams on your travels. Thanks a lot for watching. Remember to subscribe for the vibe, tickle that bell, sharing is caring, and maybe give us a thumbs up. Gute Nacht.